Hey everyone. Hey, quick video about fuel and what you need to know about it. So let's go meet Ken and see what this is all about. Hi everyone. Hey, you've got to meet Ken. Ken, how long have you been fueling here?
I've been fueling between the two companies over 20 years for this particular location. I've seen a lot of transition and change over the years.
Yeah, I bet you've seen the boats grow up and get bigger. And thanks, Ken. And by the way, we're putting in an ethanol-free premium product. Yeah, that's definitely what the higher-end boats recommend, and that's what we're doing here. So, hey, glad you all can meet Ken. Have a great day. Have a great weekend, everyone.